Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. Today we're going to have a look inside envelope number 13 of the Uniquely Creative Advent Calendar. So opening it up, and today I made a mess of opening up the envelope, but that's okay, it's what's inside that I'm most eager to see. So we have a set of vellum album inserts. So this is giving me a big hint that looks like we might get some sort of album or journal in the upcoming envelopes. So here is the first sheet of vellum, and it had a nice text pattern as well as a few images. Then we got a nice bold spot, followed by another background with text and like splatters. And the vellum is a really nice weight. It's not light and flimsy, so it's going to be sturdy enough that we can mount different items onto it if we want to use it as a journal. And it has enough translucency that you can also overlay it over some of the papers in the kit too. And here's one of our last papers, and it was the outline circles. And I can imagine using different media to add some colour to those circles, as well as to the other vellum sheets in the kit as well. So that was a really interesting item to receive in our Advent calendar, and it's going to be lots of fun working out how to use that and what projects I'm going to put that on. Love the quality of the papers, and I look forward to seeing what we get tomorrow. I hope you join me then. Until then, have a great day. Bye bye for now.